More businesses are opening up. That means many of us are making plans to maybe travel a little bit, neighbor island trips, meet with family and friends. But doctors want to remind everybody that the risk of contracting COVID-19 still very much out there. And the level of risk is different wherever you go. But as Max Rodriguez reports, there are ways to lower the risk.
As the state slowly continues to reopen, there are risk factors people should consider before they begin expanding their social calendar, such as how well do you know others and if you know your own coronavirus status. Just because more industries and services are reopening, Dr. T with Doctors of Waikiki says people should not let their guard down to COVID-19 exposure.
Unless somebody's being aware of their situation and they're getting tested regularly and they're actually aware of what their status is, then I would be cautious about people I'm associating with.
Part of being cautious means weighing your own risks and the people around you.
Most of us have close friends. We know who they are and what they do, and you're probably going to have a much more relaxed atmosphere around those kind of people. When you have new associates, people you don't know, you need to be cautious because you don't know what they do, what are their risks.
Before accepting plans, people should consider the other person's history. Dr. T says when he began identifying positive coronavirus cases, many were infected through community spread.
So cases, they were traveling, they went somewhere, they came back with corona, and then they gave it to their friends. That could happen again.
With Father's Day coming up, they want to have something in their house. What can they do to make sure that everyone stays safe?
So if you work in an environment where you're exposed to a lot of people with coronavirus, you're high risk. So if you're not in that category and you want to associate with your father for Father's Day, then fine. But if you are at a high risk category, get tested.
He says people should continue social distancing, wash hands frequently, and wear masks even around friends because large gatherings remain among the riskiest behaviors. In Honolulu, groups are being limited to 10 people.
There are going to be people wanting to do parties and do other things. Well, that's going to be a high-risk situation. You don't know who's there. You don't know what people and how their status are. You could at high risk of getting it. And we've seen this in the mainland, people having parties and other activities. There's high risk of getting coronavirus.
Max Rodriguez, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.